Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. We are here again for Larry's break number 2 of the chase break of the Deadpool Weapon X case. Let's go! Hindi naman. SR Prime, ano ka? Alam mo, pag may nakuha kong gusto mo, hihirita kita sa SR Prime.
Yung maganda yung mga ganun prime yung SR tsaka ano.
Oo, kasi magagamit mo na agad, di ba?
Yung dalawa. Ganun. Okay, let's start from the back this time. Back middle.
Back middle, Larry's favorite spot. Back middle. Okay.
This is it.
Hoy! Guys.
Oh yeah, dice again.
Oh! Magneto SR. Okay, that's a good SR. The, what you call this? Fatal Attractions SR. Maganda yan, Magneto. Wala ka pa niyan, di ba?
Meron.
Meron ka na?
Di ba I bought from I like pala cable. Come on.
Cable. Okay, middle. Front. I hope we get what chase do you want?
Phoenix.
Okay, Phoenix Wolverine. Talagang gustong ipain sa akin. Ay, gano'n din, no? Let's see. Sabertooth. Rare Sabertooth.
Okay.
Rare Sabertooth. Ano bang may set na may... Parang may cable to.
Oh, kasi may magneto.
May magneto, di ba? Baka may cable. Most likely. Let's see. This is from the back. Second to the left.
Yes.
Jean Grey.
Oh, Jean Grey.
Oh, Chase! That's a Chase. Deadpool and Wolverine.
The main set.
The Rambo's. Yeah, the one at the back of the booster. This one.
Yeah.
The bro.
What does it do?
First time I'm seeing it personally.
Really?
So I don't have it. Oh man.
Okay. Well, how many points? 90. Is KO'd. Just like Superman. World's finest. Before moving the new game, you may generate
A Deadpool or a Wolverine.
total points. Generate characters must be equal or less than Wolverine and Deadpool's point protected pulse rate.
Okay.
What's the white power? At the beginning of your turn, you may heal Wolverine and Deadpool one click. Oh, that's nice. Charge running shot. Chaos on opposed characters after they may make an attack. Twice attack.
Parang flurry. Semi-flurry. Na. Charge and then an attack.
Choose a team ability. Okay. There's no stop click lang. But it's a long click.
For 90 points?
90 points.
90 points.
And then before KO ba?
Yeah, you pop out any Wolverine or Deadpool or combination.
Before removing them. Oh, so do you get to the points?
You get another points. Yeah, you get another points.
Heal them 2 clicks. This game can't be replaced and aren't scored. Okay.
Aren't scored. Hindi, yung replacement.
Oh, yeah,
the replacement.
Okay.
Okay, we have a chase. We want a rare prime Colossus. So that everybody's happy.
Yes. It can happen.
It can happen.
It can happen.
Rare Lady Death Strike. Okay. And a die again. Ito, ilan die mo kanina? Nakuha. Dalawa, no? Isang black, isang yellow.
What's this?
Sunspot, Kid Omega, Rare Deadpool.
Here.
Ganda. Shit. Sheminat not like. Sheminat like.
Cable.
Timebreaker. What's the rare? Cyclops.
Cyclops?
Yeah, your favorite.
Okay.
One of your favorite characters. Cyclops. The rare Cyclops. The visor. Okay, this is from the left, right. We don't know. Forge rare. Also with a gun, but We want the cable.
And the bigger gun.
The bigger gun. How many SRs? One pa lang.
One pa lang.
Okay, so we're
And
expecting
one cheese.
2 more SRs and possibly a rare or more SRs. Okay, come on, give us, give us. SR. Patch. Patch Wolverine. It's a Wolverine pack. 4 Wolverines in 1 pack.
Oh, yeah.
And Jeff the Land Shark.
Okay.
Okay, SR. I'll put it together.
So I have 2 SRs.
1, 2, yeah. So 1 more and possibly Prime. Colossus. Cable, come on.
Colossus cable.
Oops.
Ooh.
What's that? Si ano? Atlas Bear.
Atlas Bear.
This one, Atlas Bear. Taxi for the Hotshots. And a Time Breaker.
Okay.
Okay, that's a rare Atlas Bear. Okay, 1 SR and 1 Prime, please.
Okay, Jasper will open the other one.
Okay.
You might be lucky with the...
Okay. This is how you do it, Larry, how you open. Okay. Oh. Rare. Rogue rare. No, not Prime. You got rare, no? Kanina?
Rogue.
Rare lang?
No.
Rogue. Di Prime, di ba? Rare lang. Okay. So, also a rare Rogue. Okay.
Another one.
Ako na?
Last one.
Okay. This should be at least an SR. Whoop! Bubble wrap.
Come on.
It's a bear.
Panda.
Panda bear. Oh, we're missing
Okay.
rare Deadpool. Rare. Ba't walang SR? Pula na sa SR.
Paka-cheese.
Akal yung kanina. Yung Psylocke na no? Yung sprint. Ano ba yan?
Okay.
And the legacy, Larry.
Legacy.
Ano ba? Ang mailap talaga ang Phoenix Wolverine sa atin.
Ang what?
Ang Phoenix Wolverine.
Ano nakuha nila? Katabi ni Colossus. Yan o.
Ni Magneto, ang alam,
Yung nakuha nilang Colossus katabi.
kasama si Phoenix Wolverine minsan eh.
Oo.
Oh, ba't diba? Parang yung kila Kila Pete.
Pabukas.
Ayaw magpabukas. Baka magunting dahil sa ayaw magpabukas. Okay,
Wolverine.
let's see. Pwede rin.
It's a Wolverine.
It's Wolverine. Okay, nasa test tube.
X23.
And X23. Ayan! That's a good legacy card.
From what set?
From...
Duo card.
Ano ba to? Deadpool? Deadpool set. That's one of the better legacy cards.
Free. Heal Wolverine. Each token on them.
Okay, so that's it for brick number 2. More to unbox. Wait for the other videos, guys.